As of March 10, 2025, reports from Russian weapons reveal that at least one A-50U Airborne Early Warning and Control (AEW&C) aircraft has resumed operations in the Sumy region. It remains uncertain whether a single aircraft is operating intermittently or if multiple units are rotating in regular intervals. This development suggests the possibility of a critical radar reconnaissance mission in the northeast, which could be preparatory for large-scale operations. Unlike unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), the A-50U provides superior accuracy in target identification and battlefield surveillance, making it a pivotal asset for Russia's strategic efforts. The war in Ukraine has taken a significant toll on Russia's fleet of A-50 and A-50U AEW&C aircraft, with several units being lost to enemy attacks. Notably, on January 14, 2024, one A-50U was hit by a MIM-104C missile near Berdyansk, while another was downed by an S-200 missile over Krasnodar Krai in February of the same year. The most notable incident occurred in February 2023 when an A-50 was struck by a drone in Machalyshy, Belarus. These losses have diminished the number of operational A-50U aircraft, placing immense pressure on the remaining fleet. The role of these airborne radar systems is crucial for Russian military operations. The A-50U is primarily responsible for battlefield surveillance, target tracking, and overall command and control. The loss of several units has hindered the coordination of Russian fighter aircraft and air defense systems, diminishing early warning capabilities. Consequently, Russia has adapted its strategies by deploying Su-30SM fighter jets to protect these vulnerable assets. The destruction of these A-50U aircraft has highlighted the growing effectiveness of Ukrainian air defense capabilities. British intelligence confirmed that on January 14, 2024, a Russian A-50U was struck by a Patriot PAC-2 missile. This incident marked the first recorded downing of such an aircraft, underscoring the potency of Western-supplied defense systems. Ukrainian forces, using the Patriot system, successfully neutralized the threat at a range of 160 kilometers from the front line. This attack was a significant blow to Russia's airborne reconnaissance and coordination efforts. In response to the mounting losses, Russian authorities announced in February 2024 that the production of the A-50U would be revived. The goal is to modernize and replenish the AEW&C fleet, with improvements to digital avionics that boost data processing and signal tracking capabilities. These upgrades will allow for better integration with Russia's S-400 air defense systems and enhance the detection and tracking of both aerial and ground targets. The A-50U, equipped with the advanced Shmel-M radar system, offers impressive detection range and precision. In operational scenarios, it is capable of identifying armored vehicle movements up to 250 kilometers away, even in challenging weather conditions. The aircraft can detect GBU-39/B guided bombs deployed from F-16AM fighter jets at altitudes of 270 kilometers, and it can also track cruise missiles like the Scalp-EG from up to 100 kilometers away. Furthermore, its infrared systems enable tracking of ATACMS missiles at ranges of up to 600 kilometers, ensuring it provides critical targeting data to Russia's air defense systems. This radar system, enhanced by upgrades such as the potential inclusion of an active X-band phased array radar, allows for better detection of smaller, harder-to-identify targets, such as artillery and mortar systems. These improvements ensure that the A-50U remains an essential asset for Russia's integrated air defense and missile systems. The A-50U continues to be a cornerstone of Russia's air operations, offering crucial battlefield intelligence and target tracking. As a successor to the earlier A-50 aircraft, it represents an advancement in surveillance and control capabilities. Initially developed as part of the Soviet Union's efforts to enhance its military surveillance, the A-50 entered service in the mid-1980s and has since undergone several upgrades, including the A-50U variant introduced in 2011. With its long operational range and sophisticated radar systems, the A-50U remains a pivotal component in Russia's efforts to maintain air superiority in conflict zones. While the loss of several A-50U units has certainly strained Russia's capabilities, the aircraft's return to operational status in the Sumy region signals the continued importance of airborne early warning systems in modern warfare. As the conflict in Ukraine progresses, the A-50U's role in radar reconnaissance and battlefield coordination will likely become even more critical in Russia's strategic planning and execution.